follow tune till the end. This video is going to explain to you how you can use basic AI tools to make your research work easy and faster and smarter. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So one of the things or the AI tools we have been looking at, which is all over the globe, is the ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used to do a lot of research work and a lot of things for you. It thinks for you and do a lot of stuff that you can't imagine. So we are going to use ChatGPT, Google Bot, paraphrasing tool, which is the Quillbot, and then Sightful and other tools. So basically we're looking at 3 different basic sites, including 2 sites that we can use to do our literature review. Now you want to start a literature review or your research work, but you don't know the structure, you are confused about the structure. You may have to get the structure of the literature review. So you come to ChatGPT and instruct ChatGPT to give you the view or the overview or the structure of the literature review. Then it will guide you into doing your whole project. So you just come to ChatGPT and you type in, write the structure of literature review on the topic exploring the use of digital tools in the teaching and learning of mathematics. So this is a topic, and you instruct ChatGPT. Now you wait for it to generate the things for you. So it's going to give you the title, exploring the use of digital tools in the teaching and learning of mathematics. So I go back. So this is the structure. You have the introduction. Under the introduction, you have background of study. We have statement of the problem. We have objective of the literature review. We have the scope and limitations. So the introduction, this is what you have to get. So you see that if you don't even know how to start with the project, but instruct ChatGPT, is going to give you the overall skeleton of the work. So in the introduction, you know what is going to be there. Then your theoretical review. In the theoretical review, look at the definition of the tools, digital tools and mathematics education, the theoretical perspective on digital tools in education and other things. After the theoretical review, you'll be looking at the historical overview of digital tools, which sometimes we liken it to the pure philosophies people have talked about on that particular concept. Now the benefits and all that. Now you have gotten your outline. What next to do is to begin to write your papers. Now I can instruct ChatGPT to write the background of study on this. So write the background of study. Write the background of study. So let me just pick the topic here, copy it and paste it here. Paste and enter. Now ChatGPT, once you have instructed with the first question here, you could just also write background study, and ChatGPT is going to give you, because it knows what you are already talking about. So you see that they have given me the background of study, but the fact is that there are no references. The references are given at the end. You see that because I added that it should give me references. You see, ChatGPT is going to help you in your work very easy. So it's giving me the references of the work, but it's not going to give you in-text reference. That's the in-text citation to the background of the study. Now there's this other site, which is the next tool I am going to introduce to you, which is the Google Bot. Google Bot. So Google Bot is another AI tool which can be used in your research work and then research proposal. So I'm coming to use the same instruction I gave to ChatGPT over here. That is, you write and give me reference, and we see how it will respond to it. So let me paste it here. So I'm instructing Google Bart to write a background study on exploring the use of digital tools in the teaching and learning of mathematics with reference. Okay, Google Bart is powered by Google itself, and it will be able to generate at least some references also for us, both in text and then the after that one. So let's see what happens here. So it's going to generate a lot of them. So it's giving me the authors, so how I'm going to do it, the structure and everything. Now it depends on how you are now commanding it. How do you command it? So once you are commanding it to give the reference, so here it means I'll give the author, the title, it's giving the guidelines on how you are going to do it. Now I'm going to command it to do a different one. So write the background of the study on the topic. So let me code this topic with reference with in-text references. So we just change a little bit and we see the new one it will bring. So once it's giving you the background study, you can go back to ChatGPT and pick the next heading and you explore it, and it's going to give you the new one you are going to look for. Now, very wonderful. So you see that now it's giving me the in-text citation. So it's saying that mathematics form the foundation of scientific exploration and technological advancement. It's giving me the citations inside here. You see that? So this tool is very important and very useful when you are doing your work. But make sure after you are finished, you go through it and correct all mistakes, because an AI can make mistake. So after you have done this, you may need to paraphrase it or rephrase it to run away from plagiarism. So because of that, we are going to use another tool which is called the Quillbot. Quillbot is used to do the paraphrasing. Is also used to summarize your tenses for you. So let's say you have a lot of sentences. Let's say a whole passage, you want to summarize into a smaller form. You can use this. So look at the tools here. We have the grammar checker, plagiarism checker, the Quillbot, the summarizer, citation generator. So you can use this one to also generate citation, and you can translate to a different language and all that. So you will now come back to this. Maybe I want to only paraphrase this side. So this study is what? So copy this and bring it to Quillbot and paste the text there. Paste the text there. And now I ask it to paraphrase it for me. So it has overcopied all the tenses I wanted to do. So, but I'll paraphrase it. It's going to paraphrase a particular portion for me only. So it has been able to do that. And you can see that, right? So this tool is very useful when we are dealing with the project work. Now the next one you may want to look at is the literature connector. When you may have to now search for literatures relating to your document, relating to your topic. Okay, so you can use the Google Scholar to search for it. So Google Scholar, and I search for teacher educators use digital tools. So once you search this tool, these are the materials that will come. So there are a lot of literature written on digital tools. I want to get the PDF. Now, this is another AI tool or website you can get your research work done. That's researchgate.net. You can search that one directly, researchgate.net. You can go there and search for literature and other stuff. So you click on it and it will send you to a place where you can download or read your literature directly. Now, but the essence of using this is for me to get the paper. So let's say you have these papers relating to your topic you want to review. So I want to get the topic of this or the title of the paper. I copy it, come to Insightful. This site is called Insightful, which helps you to connect the literature terms. So in your project work or in your research work, you want to connect which literature papers have I used before, and which ones is my work relating to, and which one can I input into it. So this site can be helpful. So I paste it. So remember, that's the paper the title of the paper. It's giving me suggestions. So I want to search for it. Correct. Once you search for it, teacher education, yes, that is what I want to do. So let me connect with other papers. So this tool is very important when you want to deal with other papers. So it connects you to the other papers that you want to see. So if I come back to Google Scholar and I get another paper, so let me see another paper. I'm going to get this one, and I want to see how they are related, how they are connected, so that I can get literatures that are related to each other that I can cite in my project work. Okay, so it is loading up. So when it's loaded up, I get the title of the paper and go and use it in my work. Okay, so that is how teacher educators use this and respond forward. So let me copy this paper title, copy it and come back to connector, paste it here, and then let's search for it also. So mostly when you put it, it will give you a suggestion. Is this what you are really looking for? And I said yes, so I connect it. Right, wonderful. So I'm now trying to connect the two of them. Now these papers are related. The maximum hop, that's 1, minimum hop is 1. Papers search, papers that are related and they've searched for it are 210. One path, they are all moving towards one direction, and then the years they are related is 2009 and 2023. So you can see that it can help you to compare and relate them, the days, the years in which those papers are written. Okay, so that you can easily make your work faster. All right, now these are the technological tools we have delved with in today's lesson. So stay tuned in my channel and you will be blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I release any other new video you will be blessed. Note, when you like the video, YouTube will recommend it to other people to watch, so don't forget to do that. God bless you and have a nice time.